Morning, how's it going? We are here in Daxi. We've come for an action-packed day. First off, we're going to be checking out the Sanmin Bat Cave, which is just next to us. There's a nice waterfall in a cave. Luckily, no actual bats there anymore. After that, we're going to a Hakka restaurant for lunch, and finally ending the day with a tea factory, which has been featured on Netflix on a series called Gold Leaf, so it should be a pretty good day out. My name's David, you're watching Travel, Eat, Taiwan, Repeat, and this is Daxi Day Out. What's this we have stumbled upon? Oh wow! Oh! That. Stunning. I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park. This place is just prehistoric. So we're here at Sanmin Bat Cave. It's not actually raining, all this water is just coming from the river that's above us. Walk down to the main waterfall. We've had rain a couple of days ago, so the waterfall's a bit more ferocious than before. So I saw before on Google and YouTube that you used to be able to go further and go up to the stone or into the rocks here behind me, but they've since done the floor to make it more accessible to people, and they're trying to preserve the area, as you can see to this sign here. So I'm not going to go any further, I don't want to get told off, but it's a really, really just gorgeous place. It's about an hour in from Taiwan, and it's like a different world. It's really crazy. We're going to walk back to the car now and then drive about 10 minutes to go to our restaurant for lunch. We're going to have some Hakka food. After that, hit the tea factory. So let's go eat. So we've just arrived at the restaurant. It looks great. You can see down behind there is a lake. And there are hundreds, if not thousands, of different types of birds in the trees. I'll go show you in a second. Down below, you can see it looks like they grow all their vegetables here. And you can also maybe see Jenny. You can hear Bobo there. Go, wash your hands. Yeah, that's it. There's a butterfly somewhere, butterfly under his finger. Tap, tap, tap. There's a butterfly on Daddy. You see him? Oh no, me from the future. So just checked all the audio from the meal, me talking about the meal, and it's all corrupted. I sound like a robot from the 80s. I can't believe it, absolutely gutted. I'm gonna have to buy a new microphone. What I'll do is instead is I'll show you the footage of the meal in a second, and I'll just talk over it and show you what I thought of the food. Really nice meal, so let's have a look. So it was set menu only, it was $1,600, but I think we got about 6 or 7 dishes in the end. You can see a few different ones here on the table. You can see some different cabbages and bamboos. We got some fried radish. There was also a spicy pork dish. It wasn't too spicy, I think it had some big bits of bamboo in it as well. You can see in the background also some chicken, which I'm about to show you. I think they called it wild country chicken. It was full of fat and little juicy pockets of goodness. Really, really nice. Look at that. Yum, 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 yum. There's a little chili oil dip and a few other things as well. We were also given a huge pot of chicken and tomato soup, and it was finished off with some fresh watermelon. So yeah, that was the meal. Really delicious meal. Sorry about the audio, I can't believe that happened. We're now heading off to Daxi Tea Factory. As I said in the beginning, it is the setting of the Netflix series Gold Leaf. It looks really, really good actually. Jenny did watch it. She said it's a fantastic series, good ratings on IMDb, so I'll check it out later another time. It's a 5-minute drive from this restaurant. Let's go. So it looks like we've got the different areas here, the different processes of the tea. So maybe the leaves will come on here and dry. This big machine is for steaming, so it obviously roll around while the leaves are in there steaming, letting the moisture out. And here these are for pounding, so the leaves will come in here. This machine will go round and round and round and pound the leaves flat, get all the flavouring out. Unfortunately, Jen didn't come in because we have Bobo with us and he can't come inside. He didn't want to go in the box. But actually, it looks like up here on the wall they have different maps of the hills around. And maybe the colours represent maybe different types of tea or a different elevation of the tea that they're growing. So, wish I could read Chinese to understand a bit more, but it'd be pretty cool. So this is all the different machinery that would have been used. So there's a packing machine at the back here. This absolute beast is a cutting machine. And that there's a Japanese safe. It's a 3-tiered safe to get in. They've undone 2, but there's still one more layer they haven't unlocked. Wonder what's inside. Gold. Treasure. Pretty sick. Area is actually used for drying the tea leaves. They have these special windows that open 90 degrees which allow the air to come in. They come through then either on here or these giant boards back there where they dry the tea leaves, and then they use huge fans, you can see this one here, to suck the warm air out. Pretty inventive. So that was Daxi Tea Factory, really aesthetically pleasing building just to walk around and take some nice shots. Even if you're not a fan of tea, it's a nice place to come. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It has been a bit busy and a bit full on. We're now heading back to Taiwan, got an hour drive. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Why are you up there? What the hell?